For many shutterbugs and avid photographers, having and shooting with a good and quality camera is of great importance. They want the camera to deliver the result they desire, proving that their skill ticks. If you are one of these photographers, you should take a look at this excellent camera, the Nikon D7000 16.2 megapixel digital SLR camera. Nikon D7000 features high resolution of 16.2 MP DX-format CMOS sensor. It supports high-speed 6 frames per second continuous shooting up to 100 shots. Its breathtaking full 1080p HD movies with full-time autofocus is certainly going to thrill your audiences. It has dynamic ISO range from 100 to 6400 and also equipped with groundbreaking 2016 pixel RGB 3D color matrix exposure sensor. Isn't this great? Check out Nikon D7000 16.2 megapixel digital SLR camera with 1855mm lens by clicking on this button today.